Alright, hi, this is Alyssa Krall in Math for Elementary Teachers, Math 222. I will be performing my first Teach It from Chapter 1, so this is problem number 2 in section 1-1A. So, I'm going to read the problem quick. The problem is use the ideas in drawings A and B to find the solution to Gauss's problem for the sum 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus some random numbers in there plus n. And then we have to explain our reasoning. So, I drew diagrams here on our sheet of paper. So this is diagram A. We have 8 rows vertically, and then we have another 7 going horizontally, and we're representing those rows by the letter n. And we have to solve for n, so that works really well. Diagram B is that exact same picture, but we added on rows to make it a complete square. And so, to solve this problem, we're going to use Gauss's formula. So I'm going to kind of tell you here what Gauss's formula is. Gauss's formula is n times the quantity of n plus 1 all over 2. So now we're going to kind of look at how that makes sense into this problem. So the easiest way to go about doing this is to solve for our blocks in B first. So we are going to take n, which is our amount of rows, times the quantity n plus 1, because this is an extra row right here. So that's how we're going to do that. So to get our total number of squares, that's what we're going to do. But we are looking for the amount of squares in picture A, and so to get that, we're going to take n times the quantity n plus 1 over 2, because half of the squares are missing. So that will get us our correct amount of squares in section 2. I'm going to do this with numbers just so that you can kind of see how it would work if we would have real life numbers in here. So let's count the rows in our B picture here. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 rows vertically. So that's going to be our n value. So n equals 8. So we're going to take 8 times the quantity of n plus 1. So 8 again plus 1. And then we're going to divide that by 2. And that's Gauss's formula. So the first thing that you would do with that is take 8 times the quantity of 8 plus 1, which is 9. So 8 times 9 over 2, which simplifies out to be 72 over 2, and that is 36. So if our textbook were asking for the amount of squares found in figure A, we would be able to say that we had 36 squares. But our textbook is asking for us to just solve for n, and so all we have to do is say that to find the amount of squares, you take n times the quantity of n plus 1 divided by 2, and that will give you your answer. So